What's up, guys? We're about to head to Burger King and order 500 chicken nuggets. Yes, I said 500 chicken nuggets. Yes, I know that's a ridiculous amount, but I'm going to attempt to eat 500 chicken nuggets and 2 large fries. Now, I do have my companion with me, my best friend, and he's over here just like he's mind blown about what I'm about to do, like completely. What's up, bud?
I don't even talk about it, dude.
So, we're gonna go to Burger King, and we are going to order 500 chicken nuggets and 2 large fries, and I'm going to eat it all, or attempt to. So,
That's a strong word. Attempt.
I will attempt to eat them. And anyways, we'll be right back. Alright, guys, we just pulled up to Burger King, and we're about, once we can get through this line up there to order, we are going to get this done.
Or they're waiting on the list for.
Hey bud, what do you think about this challenge I'm about to do?
I think it's bizarre. That's what I honestly think. But now, the one thing I can say about all this, what's going on, you need to get whoever views this to subscribe to your boy Fash Gaming 101.
Oh, you heard it. If y'all watch this video, he wants y'all to subscribe to his YouTube channel.
There's nothing really much on it, but I'm a beginner as well. But I'm not eating 500 nuggets.
Well, as you just heard, go subscribe to him. What was it? Faz Gaming 01?
It's your boy Fash Gaming 101.
It's your boy Fash Gaming 101. Whatever the 101 means, I have no idea. He's just out there. He's kind of weird.
0 subscribers. Let's get it.
But if y'all do view this and y'all watch this video, please subscribe. Alright, guys, we're about to order. Let's see what the reaction is.
Walking Burger King, I'll be right with you.
Alrighty.
You know, she'll be right with us. Nice. She's probably gonna lose her shit. She's going to lose her mind.
I think we're literally gonna fucking close on this Burger King for the next week on fucking.
Shh, watch it for vanity.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't make my YouTube rated R.
Mine is for everyone, because everyone is welcome, except for gingers. They have no soul. Oh, this is gonna be a fun challenge. I'm probably gonna be wanting to die after this. So, please subscribe. Please, 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 please subscribe. Like I said, subscribe and like. I need the subscribers so I can keep on doing this and be able to
Sorry about that.
have
What
my
can I get
fun.
for you?
Yes. I need 500 chicken nuggets.
I'm sorry, barely hear you.
I need 500 chicken nuggets.
5 Whoppers?
No, 500 chicken nuggets.
Okay, they're not $1 here.
Do what?
You want the 10 pieces, right?
Yes, make them all into 10 pieces.
Okay, they're not $1 here. That's what I'm saying. They're $3.99 each.